Today on Wayne's Attic Railroad, I got my splices in underneath the track. There was 6 of them. There's 2 down there. Down at this end, 1 there, another one right in there, and the last one right here. So that takes care of that. Now I'd have to redo the supports, and they're going to go and span the track, the slot car track. I also redesigned it, as you can see. I think I used every piece of track but one to get this layout, but I'll just span my rail supports over the top. Yep, there goes a train going by. A real one. But the track is expanded as about as much as I'm going to get it expanded. Okay, just keeping you updated. Another quick note, I'm going to extend the controller wires. I'll drill down under the table and bring them to the front here somewhere, probably right in this area, to where you can just plug the controllers in right here, and then they'll be permanently attached back there. And I'm running 2 different transformers, 1 on each lane. I will do the same, drill a hole and run them underneath, so that'll tidy that up. All right, that's it for now.